Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always every week I've been wandering around the shelves to see what is back for your classic Norton motorcycles this week. So let's take a look and see what I found. Okay, first up is the rear brake safety spring for the 68 to 74 Commandos. That's part number 064172 and that's £6.30 including VAT. That's the engine valve set inlet exhausts for the Norton Commando 750 and 850. That's £83.94 including VAT. Next up is the gearbox assembly, part number 065103. That's £2,271.35 including VAT. We've got part number 031746. That's the fuel tap for the reserve side with a sealing washer, and it's ethanol proofed. That is £23.94 including VAT. And next up 033155, the fuel tap for the main fuel tap with sealing washer, and it's also ethanol proof again, £23.94 including VAT. Part number 824047, that's the oil tank filler cap gasket, that's 86p including VAT. And finally this week, the right side cover with bracket and tool tray unpainted for the S-Type and 1970 Roadster. That's part number 061209, is £119.40 including VAT. And as usual, if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if that item's back in stock, you can always check out the Andover Norton website, which is linked in the section below, along with all the other parts I have mentioned today. And until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.